Let us discuss dividing fractions. How to do the division of fraction. Okay, look at this sum. 2 over 3 divided by 5 over 7. Right. So before we do the division of fraction, you have to convert this division sign into multiplication. Okay, so not only that, the second fraction, we have to make it upside down. So it's like this. We'll draw a man here and we'll make it as 5 over 7. So upside down means you have to make it as the numerator should go down and the denominator should come up. Then 5 over 7 becomes 7 over 5. We call in maths reciprocal. Reciprocal. So you have to change the second fraction. You have to make it as reciprocal. Then you can write as 7 over 5. The first fraction we can write as it is, 2 over 3. So we did two changes. We converted division into multiplication, as well as the second fraction we make it as upside down. So for multiplication, so let's multiply 7 times 2, 40, 3 times 5, 50. The answer 14 over 50. Okay, look at the next sum. 4 divided by 2 over 3. So we'll make it as a fraction by writing the denominator as 1. So how to do? First we need to change this division into multiplication, as well as the second fraction you have to make it reciprocal. So 2 over 3 you can write as 3 over 2. This 4 over 1 you have to write as it is. Now the normal multiplication. 4 times 3, 12. 1 times 2, 2. So 12 divided by 2 is 6. Okay, the next sum. 5 over 9 divided by 3 over 4. So let's write. We convert this division into multiplication, and the second fraction you have to make it upside down. 3 over 4 become 4 over 3. So 5 over 9 multiply 4 over 3. So let's multiply 5 times 4, 20. 9 times 3, 27. 20 over 27. Okay, the next one. 4 over 9 divided by 2 over 5. So we convert this division into multiplication, as well as the second fraction. We'll make it upside down. 2 over 5, 5 over 2. So 4 over 9 into 5 over 2. So let's multiply 4 times 5, 20. 9 times 2, 80. So this is an improper fraction. You have to write it as a mixed number. For 20 over 18, you can write as a whole number 1. 18 times 1, 18, and 2. 1, 2 over 80. You can simplify further this 2 over 80. 1, 1 over 9.